Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping well and taking care of yourselves and staying indoors. In our today's English class, we will be doing grammar, email writing. Now, if I talk about email writing, you all are very much familiar with this word. If I talk about email writing, many of you must have sent mails also. You must have heard Papa or your parents, your elder brother, sister talking कि अरे mail आया, mail check करना है. Now, earlier days there were letter system, but nowadays to avoid paper and letter takes a lot of time to reach. So people started using emails. Now emails are used basically in big companies, offices, everywhere nowadays they are having this email system. Email saves your paper, your envelope, your postal charges, everything. Then it is an easy and faster mode of communication. Then sending messages is rather than telegrams and all, your mail is faster. Then if we talk, it is you can also send your digital images, your photographs, everything through it. Then you can send in one shot, you can send to many people. It is you don't have to write separate. Okay, the same mail once you have written, you can just send it to, with one click you can send it to hundreds of people. Whereas if you talk about letter, you have to sit and write. If you want to send to 5 people, you have to sit and write 5 letters. But in email it is not like this. You can send to as many people as you want. Then the message is also stored in the box, mailbox. So whenever you want, you can also check it, that what you had sent. Okay, now if I talk about email writing, the points what you should remember while writing an email is that you should always read the question carefully, okay, or whatever you want to send, that should be thought properly. Then a proper layout. Layout means the structure which I will tell you how you have to write, that should be proper. Then your date, your sender's address, recipient's address, and everything should be proper. Proper grammar should be there, and you need not to use short forms like B, comma and COZ. Okay, so like for YOU, you all are using only U. So for the ARER, you all are using only the letter R. So these short forms should not be there in email writing. Your language should be simple, and your signature and name should be there at the bottom. And moreover, the sender's name and the receiver's name has to be in small letters. There are no capital letters. Okay. Then you have to know the email ID. Your email ID should be proper, and to whom you are sending, that email ID should be proper. Now if I talk about email ID, then there are many email IDs like yahoo.com, your gmail.com, readyflamemail.com, or you talk about hotmail.com. So like this email IDs you have to make, and on that mail IDs you have to send. Now when you are making your mail IDs, the name has to be in small letters, not in capital letters. Now I have explained the points which you should remember. Now I will tell you how you have to write your email, whatever is the question. Now first thing is that you have to put your date. This way you have to make the box, you have to put the date. Now if I talk about date, students, you have to put your date like this: 19th December 19 December and XX means 2020, 2020, 21, whatever it is. So in the beginning 20 and X. Now second is from. From means the sender's email ID has to be there. Then to whom you are sending, that person's email ID should be there. Then subject. Subject means regarding what you are sending. You have done this subject in your letter writing also. Subject means to whom, related to what you are sending the mail. Now after this comes is the body of the mail. In this, one thing remember, that you have to write your this thing, salutation. Salutation means dear sir, dear ma'am. That is called your, after this subject, here you have to write dear Dear sir, dear ma'am, that is your salutation. And then you have to begin the other part of the mail. Now, when you are finished towards the end, there has to be a complimentary close. Complimentary close का मतलब होता है with regards, take care, have a nice day sir, or give my regards to uncle and auntie. This is called your complimentary sentence. And after that you have to have your sender's name, okay, and then the last will come is your send. There is a box here where it is written send, and in that box you need to put a tick mark. You need to put a tick mark also in this box. Now when you are doing email writing in your copies, you have to make this format. In your books the format has been given, but in your copies you have to draw this format. Now after this I am going to send you the answers of the questions which are given in the book. If you have any doubts you can clarify it from me personally, and all the questions you will be doing in the book